Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make classic taco soup. Taco soup is inspired by the flavors of taco, and there's a reason why this is a classic soup recipe. Everyone loves it, it's super simple to make, and it's super delicious. I call for 7 different spices in this recipe to make a little taco seasoning. If you don't want to measure out each individually, you can replace with a 1-ounce packet of taco seasoning. Get a large pot heating on the stove over medium-high heat, and we'll grab 1 pound of lean ground beef, 1 diced onion, and head on over to the stove. Using a lean ground beef will prevent there from being too much grease. And you can either use a white or a yellow onion for this. We'll break this up and cook it for about 7 minutes until the beef is browned and the onions are soft. At that point, if there's any excess liquids or grease, you'll want to drain that off. Then add in about 3 cloves of minced garlic, and we'll saute this for about 60 seconds. Then we'll start adding in all of our taco seasoning spices, starting with 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, and last, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And we'll mix this in and let those spices toast for just about 30 seconds while we grab our other ingredients. Then we'll pour in 2 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of beef broth. Nice little mixture there. Then we'll add in 2 cans of fire roasted diced tomatoes. You want those to be undrained. 1 can of pinto beans, and you'll want to drain and rinse those ones, along with 1 15-ounce can of black beans. Same thing, drain and rinse. You could actually use whatever kind of beans that you like or leave them out entirely. Last 2 ingredients, 7 ounces of diced green chilies, and 1 cup of either frozen or canned corn. Then we'll stir this all together and bring it to a simmer. Then we'll let this simmer over a low heat for 25 to 30 minutes, and then you are ready to eat. You can serve this soup up plain or add some toppings like shredded cheese, sour cream, sliced jalapenos, cilantro, or even some chips. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.